Hello, welcome to Microsoft Dynamic Business Fireside Chat. I'm Guy Tucker, this is our Fire, and this is none other than Microsoft's GM of Product Marketing, Fred Studer. So Fred, today we're talking about Microsoft's ERP cloud strategy for enterprises. I see cloud everywhere I go. Why the big interest?
Well, cloud computing represents one of the most significant shifts in technology that we've seen in recent years. It's the technological advancement that, beyond just hosting in a different data center, will enable a series of new scenarios that previously were either too costly or impractical to implement. An example of this is the availability of storage and computing power, which not too long ago was just incomprehensible, even for larger companies. It's now available on demand and very affordable to all companies. Beyond the core technology advancements, the demand for cloud capabilities also stems from a transition in the market relating to people's expectations about what software can do for them. An example, there are several good topics around customers who are expecting to be able to access their business applications from anywhere, at any time, on any device. They have that flexibility with personal email, photo albums, etc. So why not in their professional lives? You also have a new generation joining the workforce. They've never known work without mobile devices, social applications, and even search. Then there is the economic reset, which has changed the way that many customers spend on technology and services. Budgets continue to get tighter, and many times moving out of the IT department and into the line of business.
So what should enterprise companies expect from Dynamics ERP solutions in the cloud?
So the cloud represents just a major opportunity for innovation. But we also believe that customers will be looking to tap into the power and innovation of the cloud at their own pace and on their own terms. Our cloud strategy, therefore, continues to be focused on delivering cloud on customers' terms. We can summarize this in several points, and maybe we can kind of delve into these in just a little bit more detail.
Absolutely. So tell me some of the ways in which Dynamics gives customers options when it comes to the cloud.
Well, options is really the key word. Choice is one of our key focal points. Most established companies have one or more on-prem business applications. In many cases, some of them have thousands. And while some want to move all of them into the cloud, many will want to move to the cloud gradually. For that reason, we'll offer to our customers choice in how our solutions are deployed. This means that the same solution will be able to be deployed on their premises, hosted by a partner, or hosted by Microsoft.
So what if a customer decides to go one route and then something happens and they need to go another direction?
Now, we understand that preferences can and will change over time. So we aim to offer customers that ability to change their deployment model and move from one to the other when it fits their needs, really.
So it sounds like they could do cloud, on-premise, or a little bit of both.
Yeah, we like to refer to it as hybrid cloud, because we also expect that there will be a lot of customers that want to move only parts of their business applications to the cloud. And so for these customers, we plan to support a hybrid cloud model. We have actually already started enabling a number of these hybrid scenarios where the cloud enables solutions that previously were impractical or costly to enable on-premise.
Such as?
So a couple key examples include payment or commerce services that complement our retail solutions, or the site services that allows collaboration with stakeholders such as customers, partners, future employees, etc. And we plan to continue investing in these types of hybrid scenarios moving forward.
So I've heard a little bit about this notion of click, try, buy. Microsoft's got experience here with other products, right?
Yeah, Microsoft has a lot of experience in running cloud solutions, both for consumers like Hotmail and Xbox, and for businesses like Azure, Office 365, CRM Online, etc. All of which has taught us that cloud really changes our customers' expectations for how to find, buy, and deploy that software. For example, in the cloud, customers expect to be able to sign up, deploy, and try the software in minutes, not hours. We are designing our ERP solution for enterprise to support this. And we plan to enable customers to try the solution themselves, either in a conference room pilot setting or over an extended time as required.
So there's also this notion of one Microsoft experience that a lot of customers are finding great value in. Tell me a little bit about that.
Yeah, this key area is about enabling a unified experience across services. We recognize that many of our customers will want to subscribe to multiple online services for Microsoft, be that Office 365, CRM Online, services from Azure Marketplace. And for that reason, we want to make sure that customers will be able to get a single place to sign up and subscribe, a single bill from Microsoft, a unified management experience, and a way to check health of the services that they're subscribing to.
It's not uncommon for businesses to shell out a lot of money for an entire solution just to use one or two key aspects of it. The cloud helps in this respect, doesn't it?
Well, pay as you go and grow is a huge opportunity. It's great for our solutions, and we want to continue to make that happen for people. The notion of only paying for what you use has been core to the notion of cloud computing.
So this really speaks to parents with teenagers who neglected to see the value of unlimited texting.
Exactly. So to avoid this in our systems, we intend to strike a good balance between these two very important aspects of licensing so that we can allow customers to be able to budget and forecast their spend.
People seem to have different ideas when it comes to this notion of customization and application lifecycle. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Sure. So when it comes to customization and upgrading cloud solutions, it's not uncommon for us to meet two perceptions. First, the perception that the cloud limits the ability to customize the solution to a specific business process. The second perception is that with the cloud, there is a lack of control as to when the solution gets upgraded.
So how is Microsoft any different?
Well, at Microsoft, we think that customers should be able to configure the system to fit their business process. And we fully recognize that customers require flexibility in how they manage the application throughout its life cycle. We'll therefore plan to offer customers the ability to customize their solution, to offer customers a second environment for deployment and testing, enabling customers to reschedule the date for upgrades to ensure that it does not conflict with the business priorities, and will further enable them to migrate their test environments in advance of the production environment so that they can have time to test those customizations and to train their users.
Okay, but times have changed in the workplace. We're not trapped in cubicles anymore. We can work on the go.
Absolutely. Multiple devices and multiple screens is how we really hear it. And we recognize that our customers increasingly are not only sitting in front of their desks and PC, we intend to enable our solution to run on multiple devices, with multiple screen sizes even. From the smallest ones on your mobile phone or slate, up to the largest ones like big flat screens in warehouses or manufacturing environments. Our new client technology will enable the ability to use HTML5, and whilst it supports other platforms such as iOS, Android, etc., it will run even better on the Windows platform. Beyond being able to run on any device and anywhere, we're taking a completely new and modern approach to user experience through the Metro user experience that customers know from Windows Phone, Windows 8, Xbox, etc. And we'll be investing to support natural user interface like speech, touch, and even gestures.
So how will customers benefit from the on-premises?
A lot of the work that we're doing and the investments that we're making in the cloud will actually accrue to all of our customers. Also the ones who have chosen or will choose to deploy on-premise, hosted with partners, or the cloud.
So what are some examples?
Yeah, some of the key examples. The new client that runs on multiple devices without the use of terminal services. Support for hybrid cloud services. Time to value improvements that we're driving with Rapid Start and application lifecycle management. And finally, hosting the solution in the cloud will help us continually monitor the application and help identify areas where we can improve performance.
And it seems like this fits into a broader ecosystem, a world-class ecosystem that Microsoft offers.
This is a big area. It's important to call out that we do not come to the cloud alone. A big part of the idea of using the same products for both on-prem, partner-hosted, and our Microsoft-hosted solutions is that we want to bring our partners, ISVs, and our resellers with us to the cloud. We find it very important to make sure that our customers get to benefit from all of our partners' deep industry expertise, their skills, their IP that has been built into the channel over the past years.
Okay, so sum it up for me. What is it that you want our enterprise customers to come away with regarding the cloud?
Yeah, it's all about the people, Guy. It's passionate people with the right tools that enable companies to stay ahead of their competition in this world of constant change. We're helping organizations transform into dynamic businesses that enable their people to do their best work, no matter where they are in the organization, and we believe that cloud can play a huge role in helping us deliver on that mission. Circling back to where we started, it is, however, important that customers tap into the cloud on their terms and not on vendors' terms. As you can see, this is something that we at Microsoft take very seriously.
So more choices, more technology, better cloud, that's enterprise. Fred, thank you very much for joining us, and thank you for joining us today. I'm Guy Tucker. We'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching.